हेलो गाइस, दिस इज़ विनोद और आज हम बात करेंगे टाइम सीरीज़ के बारे में। सो व्हेन यू हैव डेटा पॉइंट्स कैप्चर्ड इन a sequential order in the increasing order of time, then it is called as a time series because यहाँ पर time is the main dimension, right? अब टाइम सीरीज जो है उसमें नॉर्मली वी टॉक अबाउट टू डिफरेंट थिंग्स. सो वन इज टाइम सीरीज एनालिसिस and the other thing is time series forecasting. Now these two are totally different things. As the name says, time series analysis, इसमें हम सिर्फ सीरीज को एनालाइज करते हैं. And this is also known as descriptive modeling. इसके अंदर भी हम मॉडल्स बनाते हैं. We have certain models for doing the time series analysis or the descriptive modeling. बेसिकली इस एक्सरसाइज का हमारा मेन जो पर्पस होता है जस्ट टू फाइंड आउट दिस वाई दिस सीरीज इज बिहेविंग लाइक दिस, वाई दिस सीरीज इज हैविंग सर्टेन सॉर्ट ऑफ पैटर्न, सीजनल पैटर्न और ट्रेंड, राइट? सो once you're able to identify the why the series behaving like this, probably then we can apply some smoothing or noise removal techniques to make it a stationary series. So that's about time series analysis, and the other thing is time series forecasting. तो time series analysis में हम forecasting नहीं करते. There is no prediction. It's all about analyzing the data. But in time series forecasting, yes, we do have various techniques to do the forecasting on the time series. अब इसमें क्या होता है कि in the time series, the information that is available in the time series, so that information जो है we use to do the forecasting. As I said कि time series forecasting we use to do a prediction, and this is also known as extrapolation. तो now भी clear है, टाइम सीरीज एनालिसिस में सिर्फ वी जस्ट टू फाइंड आउट द आंसर ऑफ वाई, एंड वंस वी हैव दैट इन्फॉर्मेशन then we can apply various techniques to do a time series forecasting. So that's all about time series analysis and time series forecasting. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like it. Thank you so much and have a good day.